Welcome to Best 5 Choice. The Best Menstrual Cup is probably one of the most revolutionary and eco-friendly period products available today, offering a sustainable and cost-effective alternative to traditional pads and tampons. And while the idea of using a cup might seem daunting at first, especially for beginners, understanding its benefits and how to choose the right one can make the transition seamless and empower you to take control of your menstrual health with confidence and comfort. Number 5. Flex Cup Starter Kit. Introducing the Flex Cup Starter Kit, your complete solution for comfortable and sustainable period care. It's designed for ease of use and long-lasting performance. Experience unparalleled freedom with this reusable menstrual cup. It offers the capacity of 3 super tampons, ensuring you stay protected throughout your day. Say goodbye to difficult removals. Our innovative pull tab design makes taking it out simple and mess-free, unlike traditional options. This kit includes not only the menstrual cup but also 2 free menstrual discs. It's a versatile alternative to tampons and pads, catering to all your needs. Make an eco-friendly choice for your period. This product is designed to last up to 10 years, significantly reducing waste and saving you money. Designed for a perfect fit, this is size 02, ensuring maximum comfort and leak-free protection. It's the ideal choice for many individuals. What we like. This cup offers a unique pull tab for effortless removal, making it ideal for beginners. It also comes as a starter kit with discs and is designed to last for years. If you're new to menstrual cups and want a user-friendly experience with long-term value, this is a great choice. What people say. The pull tab was really easy for me to reach, and only took 1 or 2 tries to get it right. I would definitely recommend this to people who want to try a cup but aren't fully confident they could get it out or are a first-time cup user. When it was in, I didn't leak and I couldn't even feel it. So comfortable. What is so great about it is that it has a suction release tab on it, so I have never had any issue taking this out. It is easy to insert and remove, has a little loop to grab onto making it even easier to pull out, fits perfectly and feels like I am wearing nothing. The stem is easy to find and very flexible. It is also movable and helps break the seal. It's quite literally the best menstrual cup I have ever tried by far, and I've tried many. Number 4. SHORDY Reusable Menstrual Cups. Discover a revolutionary way to manage your period. Introducing the SHORDY Reusable Menstrual Cups, designed for your comfort and convenience. Crafted from 100% soft silicone, these cups offer a safe and gentle experience. They are designed to conform to your body for a leak-free fit. Whether you have a heavy or light flow, we have you covered. Our set includes both small and large sizes to ensure a perfect fit for everyone. Make a sustainable choice for your feminine hygiene. These reusable cups are an eco-friendly and cost-effective alternative to traditional pads and tampons. Experience unparalleled comfort and discretion throughout your cycle. They are easy to use, clean, and store in the included box. Embrace a new level of freedom and confidence during your period. These cups provide reliable protection and peace of mind, day and night. What we like. This set provides 2 cups, 1 small and 1 large, catering to different flow days and offering flexibility. Made from soft silicone, it ensures comfort for extended wear. If you prefer having options for varying flow levels and appreciate a soft, comfortable material, this set is a practical pick. What people say. There is a learning curve to using a cup, but once I got it down, which honestly only took about 2 days, I was good to go. I have had absolutely no leaks and have not used any kit of backup. They are very comfortable, I literally cannot feel them at all. These cups, and yes, I use both, the smaller one the first and last day or so and the larger one when things are a little heavier. Number 3. Pixie Menstrual Cup Kit. Introducing the Pixie Menstrual Cup Kit, your ultimate solution for feminine care. This starter kit is designed to make your transition to cup usage seamless and successful. We've proven that this is exactly what you need to become a successful cup user. Experience the difference with a product designed for your comfort and confidence. Crafted from 100% medical-grade silicone, it ensures safety and durability. You can trust its quality for your personal care needs. Looking for a better alternative to tampons? This cup offers a comfortable and reliable option for your menstrual needs. It's designed for ease of use and maximum comfort, making your period days feel more manageable. Embrace a new era of feminine hygiene. Simplify your period with this innovative menstrual cup. It's the best choice for a clean, comfortable, and eco-friendly solution. What we like. Designed specifically for beginners, this kit aims to ensure a successful transition to using menstrual cups. It's made from 100% medical-grade silicone for safety and comfort. If you're looking for a product that prioritizes a smooth learning curve and uses high-quality materials, this starter kit is worth considering. What people say. The kit itself comes with lubricant, soaps, and cute travel bags to put your menstrual stuff in. The websites and guides are very informational and helpful, especially for new beginners who want to try to have a comfortable experience when on their period, and they provide a lot of really cool accessories and products for the menstrual cup itself. This starter pack had everything I needed to make the switch from disposables to using a cup. The 2 different sizes were good to try. Package came with good instructions. Number 2. SHORDY Menstrual Cup and Steamer Sterilizer Kit. Discover a revolutionary way to manage your period with the SHORDY Menstrual Cup and Steamer Sterilizer Kit. This all-in-one solution is designed for your comfort and convenience. Our kit includes 2 menstrual cups, 1 small and 1 large, ensuring a perfect fit for every body. Experience reliable protection and comfort throughout your cycle. Keep your cups hygienic with the included electric steam sterilizer. It provides a quick and easy way to clean your menstrual cups, ensuring they are ready for use anytime. Make the switch to a more sustainable period. These cups offer an eco-friendly alternative to traditional tampons and pads, reducing waste and saving you money. Whether you have a heavy flow or are looking for a comfortable disc alternative, this kit is designed to meet your needs. Embrace freedom and confidence with SHORDY. What we like. This option stands out by including an electric steam sterilizer, simplifying the cleaning process significantly. It also comes with 2 cups for different needs. If ease of hygiene and sterilization is a top priority for you, especially as a beginner, this kit offers a convenient solution. What people say. The cups are way better quality and fit than other brands I have used in the past. I love having 2 sizes to pick from. The case keeps my Diva cups right with me regardless of where I go. The streamer keeps my cups nice and clean. The SHORDY Menstrual Cup and Steamer Sterilizer Kit is a great option for beginners. It comes with 2 cup sizes, which makes it easy to find the best fit. The electric steam sterilizer is very convenient and makes cleaning quick and simple. Number 1. Reusable Menstrual Cup 2-pack. Introducing a revolutionary way to manage your period. This eco-friendly option offers a comfortable and sustainable alternative to traditional products. Crafted from ultra-soft, medical-grade silicone, these cups are designed for ultimate comfort. You'll barely feel them, even during long wear. Experience worry-free days and nights with our advanced leak-proof design. Enjoy reliable protection, no matter your flow. Removal is a breeze thanks to the integrated pull tab. It ensures a quick and hygienic experience every time. This pack includes both small and large sizes, ensuring a perfect, customized fit for every individual. Find the comfort that works for you. Make the switch to a smarter period solution. It's the ideal alternative to tampons, discs, and pads, offering superior comfort and sustainability. What we like. This pack offers 2 cups, a small and a large, providing versatility for your cycle. The integrated pull tab is designed for easy removal, and the leak-proof feature ensures security. If you want a reliable, easy-to-use option with the benefit of having 2 sizes and a focus on leak protection, this is a solid choice. What people say. Great quality, very easy to use with the ring hole at the end. It's super easy to insert despite me still being new to menstrual cups and never having given birth. It's so much more comfortable and easy to insert remove than the Flex cup, and it doesn't leak, so I really love it. The circled pull tab helps really to unplug it the first try. I experienced no any leakages taken into account that it is my first time. Secondly, it is not so rigid as I thought. It is soft and not too soft to create more leakage. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.